Hey everyone, ever wondered how far your Nmap skills can really take you? Well, today's challenge put that to the test. We are diving into TryHackMe's Intermediate Nmap room, where one high port holds a clue and a deeper, sneaky service is waiting to be unlocked. We will combine scanning Netcat protocols to crack remote access and grab that flag like a pro. If you're leveling up your recon game, this one's must watch for you. And hey, if you're into real world CTFs walkthrough, red teaming, hacking tricks, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the actions. Let's jump straight in and start probing the unknown service. Open the terminal, type nmap, pn to disable the host discovery process, t4 to speed up the scans, and copy the IP, which is this, and paste it over here. And we're going to save this output as normal and the file as initial, and then enter. After a few minutes, Nmap scan has been completed. And this -pn, what this does is this will skip the host discovery process and consider all the host as up and start scanning. So we have found three ports. Now what we can do is we have to try to enumerate this more further and find the versions, and applying the default scripts, we can find more informations. Let's do that. Nmap SC for default scripts, SV to enumerate the version, and the port is P 22 and 222 and 133. Sorry, it's 31337. And then IP is this. Let's copy the IP and paste it over here. And we're gonna add T4 to speed up the scans. And we're gonna save this output as port enum. And then enter. Okay, after a few minutes, Nmap scan has been completed. If you see below, port 22 has SSH service running, and port 222 also SSH service running. And in this port 31337 has Elite service running. And if you see below, there is a string called in case I forgot user colon pass. So we have the same exact match here, which is Ubuntu, and this is the password. So what we can do is using this creds, we can try login SSH and check what's happening. Let's go here, SSH, Ubuntu, uh, Ubuntu, and add the symbol and just go copy the IP and paste it over here and then enter. So let's do one thing. Let's first try to ping this IP. Let's ping this. We'll wait for the ping till there is no ping from the IP. Actually, the host looks down. So what we can do is I'll do terminate this and restart the mission. So please hold. Okay, the mission has been restarted. So let's copy this IP and open the terminal again and SSH Ubuntu and add paste the IP and enter. Okay, now put S and then copy the password from here and paste it and then enter. Now we have an SSH access. It's put who am I? We are Ubuntu, and which directory we are? We are in home Ubuntu directory. It's ls. We don't have anything in this folder. Let's go one step back and find what and all folders we have. We have Ubuntu and user. Let's go into sudo user and then ls. We have flag.txt. I'm just going to count the flag.txt. So we have 38 characters in this flag. So this is the way to solve this room. And also I'm going to explain how to enumerate through Netcat. Let's go jump straight in. Exit this. And to enumerate the service through Netcat is, so we know the port 22 is open, like Netcat, copy the IP and put the port as 22 and enter. You see here, it shows SSH open, SSH is open. This does the banner grabbing for you. And let's close this and we'll do it for port 2222 and enter. Again, it shows SSH 2.0 is running, and we'll close this and we'll do it for the port 3133 7, enter. So this also displays the username and password. So this is the another way to do the banner grabbing. And if you learned something in this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.